Hello YouTube, Freddy back again with another video. In this video we're actually going to be doing another mod to the Mustang. I got a list of mods that I've been kind of working my way through of things I want to do to the car. I feel like this mod is something no Mustang owner should ever have to do, especially if you're driving S550. Alright guys, so the kit we're installing is by Ford Performance. Okay, so we just gotta open this stuff up right here. Alright guys, so we need to cut this out. This is a little template, and you need one of these things right here. The kit doesn't come with it. There are some kits that come with this, but this one didn't come with it. I think it's like red line that comes with it, because you want to drill, you want to make a hole about 1 inch big, and that's it. So we're gonna get everything ready, and I'll pick up the video once everything's ready. Hey guys, so I got this cut, ready to go. We're gonna go to the car and take that battery cover off next. So there's 3 thumb screws right here. Just want to take those off. There they are. There's the cover. So this is where we need to line this part right around here. Alright guys, so you want to get it lined up like so, and grab you something with a little point and make a hole right there, and that's where you're gonna drill with this. And you want to go down to 1 inch. Alright guys, so we just gotta take this bolt out. So guys, these are size specifics. You want to put it like that. Alright, and then you put this hose in there like so. Alright guys, so this kind of fits in here in this hole. Just want to angle it so that it goes in. Then just tighten it. Then we just need to tighten this. Alright guys, so then we'll just put this in here, make sure the hose is up against this part right here, and you just push it in. Alright, so before you hook this bottom part in, you're gonna wanna get the battery. Alright guys, so here you just repeat the process. Put that part there, grab this, put it in here, pull up, and tighten this, put your prop rod, and you're done. Alright guys, so we finished. And so now we just need to kind of give it a test. Alright, so open it. Alright guys, so the next and final thing that we want to do to make sure this is nice and clean is take this thing off. Right here. So let's go ahead and do that. So right here you just need a 10mm one. Alright, and take it out, put this back in. Alright guys, so there it is. Very clean looking. No more prop rod. And then to close it, just push down. And you're done. Till next time guys, don't forget to subscribe down below. Give the video a thumbs up. Till next time.